Hi viewers, welcome to Max Grammar Tutorial. If you are a first time viewer of our channel, then subscribe my channel without fail. In today's video, we will be discussing about few common homophones. Before moving on, what is a homophone? The word that sounds the same but have different meaning and are spelled differently are called the homophones. The first set of homophones for discussion are break and break. Break is to separate into pieces as a result of a blow, shock, or strain, and brake is an instrument to stop or slow down a moving vehicle. Now, let us see how to use this pair of homophones in a sentence. The glass bowl broke into pieces and Hiran stopped his cycle with a squeal on his brake. The second set of homophone for discussion is weak and weak. Weak is to have little physical strength or energy, and week is a period of 7 days. Now, let us see how to use this homophone in a sentence. Roy was too weak to lift the dumbbells, and Sunday is the first day of a week. The third set of homophone for discussion is none and none. None means not any, and none is a member of religious community. Now, let us see how to use this homophone in a sentence. None of the students were in class when the teacher had arrived. The convent is run by the Catholic nuns. The fourth set of homophone for discussion is idle and idle. Idle is to spend time doing nothing, and idol is a representation of God for worship. Now, let us see how to use this homophones in a sentence. An idle mind is a devil's workshop, and you can see many idols in the temple which are kept for worship. The fifth set of homophone for discussion is pray and pray. Pray is to address or request God, and prey is an animal that is killed by another animal for food. Now, let us see how to use this homophone in a sentence. The boy prayed before starting his exam, and the zebra turned to be the prey for the lion. The sixth set of homophone for discussion is night. Night is the period from sunset to sunrise in each 24 hours, and knight is a man who served as a soldier in armor. Now, let us see how to use this homophone in a sentence. I loved to sleep under the night sky, and every kingdom during the medieval period had knights for fighting wars. The seventh set of homophone for discussion is blue. Blue is the past tense of blow, and blue is a color. Now, let us see how to use this homophone in a sentence. The girl blew the balloon, and the balloons are blue in color. The eighth set of homophone for discussion is cell. Cell is a small room in which a prisoner is locked up, and cell is to give or hand over something in exchange for money. Now, let us see how to use this homophone in a sentence. The prisoner will have basic amenities like washroom inside their cell, and the shopkeeper sells paper bags. The ninth set of homophone for discussion is pail. Pail is a container with handle, and pale is a deficient in color or intensity of color. Now, let us see how to use this homophone in a sentence. The pail was filled with water, and the color of the dress turned pale after several wash. The tenth set of homophone for discussion is flower. Flower is a part of the plant, and flower is white or brown powder obtained by grinding grains. Now, let us see how to use this homophone in a sentence. The bride's flower bouquet was made out of beautiful red roses, and the sample of all the types of flower was displayed in the shop. The 11th set of homophone for discussion is so. So means extremely, and sow is to plant a seed by scattering it all over the land. Now, let us see how to use this homophone in a sentence. The boy ran so fast to reach the finish line, and the farmers were sowing seeds in his land. The 12th set of homophone for discussion is band. Band is a group of instrumentalists playing music of a specialized type, and band is to prohibit or forbid. Now, let us see how to use this homophone in a sentence. There was march past during the sports day along with the band, and plastics are banned in tourist areas to control pollution. The 13th set of homophone for discussion is doe. Doe is a flower combined with water or milk, and doe is the female deer. Now, let us see how to use this homophone in a sentence. I prepare the dough to prepare chapati for dinner, and the deer and the doe were playing together. The 14th set of homophone for discussion is bald. Bald is having little or no hair on the scalp, and bald is a loud shout or outcry. Now, let us see how to use this homophone in a sentence. The guy had a bald head and the baby bawled to seek attention. The 15th set of homophone for discussion is find. Find is to have a plenty, and find is to locate. Now, let us see how to use this homophone in a sentence. The biker was fined as he didn't follow the traffic rules, and I couldn't find where I had my purse. The 16th set of homophones for discussion is stair. Stair is a series of steps to move from one level to another, and stare is having a fixed look or looking at something with eyes opened widely. Now, let us see how to use this homophone in a sentence. The stairs were made out of wood and the baby had stared through the window. The 17th set of homophone for discussion is hole. Hole is a hollow place in a solid body or surface, and whole means entire. Now, let us see how to use this homophone in a sentence. There were several holes dug in the ground, and the whole stadium was cheering the team. The 18th set of homophone for discussion is tail. Tail is the hindmost part of an animal, and tale is a fictitious or true narrative or story. Now, let us see how to use this homophone in a sentence. The cat's tail is furry in texture, and Sleeping Beauty is one of the well-known fairy tales. The 19th set of homophone for discussion is through. Through is the past tense of through, and through is continuing in time towards completion of a process or period. Now, let us see how to use this homophone in a sentence. The driver threw the waste out while driving, and we sat through the boring speech. The 20th set of homophone for discussion is 1. 1 is the lowest number or identical or same, and 1 is the past tense of win. Now, let us see how to use this homophone in a sentence. The baby turned 1 yesterday, and the girl who won the competition was awarded with a trophy. Hope you liked this video. If the video was informative, please like and share our video, and do subscribe our channel for our future videos. And click on the bell button to receive the notification of the same. You can also follow us on our Instagram and Facebook pages. Until next time, have a happy learning.